What's up, YouTube? It's your man, X Official. Hope you guys are having a great new year. Happy New Year to you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it, spending time with friends and family, and just enjoying it, guys. In today's video, got a little something from Dyno Performance. I had this for a while. I wanted to install the parts all at the same time. I did install a little bit of carbon fiber before I made this video. I'll show you guys that carbon fiber because I didn't post a YouTube video. I made a YouTube short, but let's go ahead and get to this video. I'm going to start this car because it's cold outside. I want to say it's like in the 40s. So I want to make sure it's warm while I'm installing this carbon fiber because we have to use 3M tape to keep it on. So you don't want it to get cold. So I have a heat gun. Shout out to my dad. I'm at his house. Got a heat gun. I'm going to use that. But before we do that, let's get the 5.0 started. So I'm going to get a cold start recorder for you guys. Car is a little dirty, but if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like this type of content, and watch some of my old videos, guys. I got a lot of videos on YouTube, but let's go ahead and get the cold start. I'm gonna back up a little bit because this car is pretty loud. Headphones warning. If you got headphones, it's gonna be loud, man. So yeah, that's the cold start on this car, guys. I told you it was loud, so you didn't believe me. I hope you had your I don't hope you didn't have your headphones in. I'll probably insert this before I started. Headphones warning. If you got headphones, it's gonna be loud, man. All right, let's go ahead and get the video, get this car warmed up. Okay, so I'm inside the car now, and immediately, if you guys have been watching some of my vlogs in the past, you know I had this, but I didn't have this carbon fiber. So the pattern's a little bit different. Yes, it's real, but I might get rid of this and get one with a similar pattern because it does look like it's a little different. But it's all real. Oh, good thing I have the heat gun because I need to get this 3M to stay there. But it looks amazing. I did this one a while ago. I posted on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, it's the same as my YouTube, X Official. Got this carbon fiber. This one is new also, so it's looking good. I really wanted to get carbon fiber for this at first for the dash, but I love the brushed aluminum look. I think it looks amazing, so I'm just gonna keep that. But yeah, guys, I got some carbon fiber for right here. So we're gonna let this car warm up, and so the interior is warm. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip once I get the product probably installed. That's when I'll show you guys. But yeah, Dyno Performance. Got it on a deal. I think it was Black Friday deal, so I wanted to treat myself with some stuff, so I did. Well, I figured I'll show you guys a little bit of an unboxing. So what's in the box if you order from Dyno Performance, they give you some instructions. You want to check the fitment and alignment, make sure everything fits, which is a good idea, actually. You want to make sure you clean the surface. I'm definitely going to do that thing. It's a good idea to test fit before you put it on. Dang, really? They didn't give us any, is this alcohol pad? No, what? I'm surprised, but well, I'll just make sure it's clean myself. 3M tape, it's real carbon fiber. It's just 3M is holding it on, so we'll use that for this too, because as you can hear, the 3M, but this one, no issues. So I love it. Looks good. Something I see every day when I drive it. And I wanted to let my subscribers know, if you're using a heat gun like this, a high power one, don't have this thing too close to it, guys. You don't want to melt it. You can possibly start a fire if you don't know what you're doing with this. So you want to make sure you have a good distance away on low heat, just like fanning. And there's the carbon fiber, guys. Looks really good. Well, actually, that's not the Dyno Performance. That's carbon fiber I bought separate from the Dyno Performance, but looks really good. And where's Dyno Performance? It's actually right there. Thankfully, it's the same pattern. So you can get carbon fiber that is a different pattern, but it's still real if you make sure you buy the real stuff. But obviously, it would be nice to have it in the same pattern. So, oh yeah, it looks so good with the sun hitting it too. Man, that thing looks good. Do you guys like carbon fiber? Would you add carbon fiber to your car, or do you guys just like the OEM look? Me, I feel like this is OEM plus, but you guys can let me know what you think. Yeah, or you can leave a comment and let me know what type of video you would like to see. Definitely, we can make it happen depending on what it is. And guys, another thing too, I wanted to talk to you guys. Let me set this down real quick. Can I set this down? Yes, I can. It's nice not having to hold the camera. So what I'm trying to do for the channel, especially with this season, it's so cold outside, you can barely get car content. I'm barely getting content out there. I'm really not getting any content. I told you guys I was going to get some, but it's been tough with the content. So I'm going to do a little bit of gaming on the channel on specific days, certain days, like maybe Wednesday. I'll do some gaming if you're interested in that. Tune into the live stream, guys. I'll be going live stream playing Call of Duty, doing that. If you, my car's idling so weird. That's another other thing too, guys. If you got a Gen 3 Coyote and you don't know about the oil phasing issue on this car, guys, if you're at like 4,000 miles and need an oil change, your car's gonna act funny. Right now, it just sounded like it's about to shut off. If I just got this car, I would be shitting my pants. I would be like, holy. But I know what it is. I dealt with it a few times. So I'm gonna do the oil change a little bit sooner. So I'll let you guys know about that if anybody's having any possible issues with that. Because this is a YouTube channel. We try to help people and get content out. But back to the live streaming, guys. I'm gonna be live streaming Call of Duty. I might even do a little live stream. I'm not gonna do it today or tomorrow, but Wednesday is when I'll live stream. I'm gonna try to get that set up with my Xbox so I can live stream Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If you're interested in seeing that, tune into the live stream and let me know you're watching. I'll keep doing those if you're interested. And guys, I absolutely love playing Call of Duty, man. That's one thing I'll tell you about myself. I love gaming. I'm a huge gamer. I used to be a huge gamer back in the day. Now, not so much. Now that I got Call of Duty and an Xbox, oh, I'm gaming. Now, I grew up with the PlayStation, so Xbox was this is my first Xbox. I got the Series X, and I wanted to try something new, so that's why I got it. And also, I'm at Walmart now. Oh, yeah. Have you guys mixed these two before? So I always go with Black Ice, but what I never have gone with before is the car. I want to mix it. So I know Black Ice is good to mix with certain ones. So we're going to try to mix this and see how it is. I forgot I got this old one in here. It don't smell as good as the actual thing in my opinion. So we're going to get rid of that. Chuck that out. But yeah, let's go ahead and keep you guys on this video. And actually, what's you guys' favorite? Man, this idling is annoying. I gotta do that oil change. What's you guys' favorite car tree or car air freshener, car freshener? Which one is your favorite? There's so many to choose from. And do you guys keep it in this container or do you rip it out? Me personally, I rip it out. I don't quite have it hanging from my rear view mirror because it is kind of in the way when I do that. I'll just put it on the floor or hide it somewhere in the car. But what do you guys normally do? Where do you normally hang yours, and what kind of car scent tree or whatever the heck you want to call it? I just call it air freshener, guys, or the trees. Where do you put yours? This is gonna be nice. If you want to know how to make your car how to fall in love with your car again, definitely get that car air freshener. It's definitely gonna help. Man, this car's bugging out. I'm gonna rev this shit real quick. Then be like, why is this dude in the parking lot revving? Because it's idling funny. I'll let you guys hear that real quick. Pretty loud, but man, it's freaking, God, I gotta do an oil change on this car is what it comes down to. It's annoying that Ford made these things super sensitive to the oil phasing, but that's just something Ford did. I'm gonna do a little bit of driving before we close out this video. If you guys want to hear me get on the highway, I could put that clip in the video, but ooh, man, let's see if the camera will stay there with me driving. That'd be cool. This will help me to record vlog videos when I'm going to these car shows and stuff. Let's see, will it stay? Oh, it will, I think, but the thing is, the wheel's kind of in the way, isn't it? I guess when you're going straight, it's not quite in the way, but oh, that's kind of cool, man. But yeah, guys, it's 2025. Do something to be great. Make a change. Make a change, guys. Don't be running out here trying to be like everybody else. You're your own person. So don't be a follower. Well, actually, if you're going to be not everybody's a leader. So if you're going to be a follower, make sure you follow the right people, because not everybody is a leader. So, and if you're a leader, make sure you're leading them right, and that, you know, you're surrounding yourself with good people, because you can try to be a good positive influence around people, and those people could not be good influence, and they just drain you. I've tried it. Sometimes they're going to drain you, and you don't want to get drained because it can rub off on you as well. So this air freshener is smelling good. I'm gonna have to crack the windows because it's strong. Yeah, it's real strong. And oh, let me show you guys a Porsche dealer real quick. So here's the Porsche dealer. Oh, Oh my goodness, guys. I really didn't like Porsches at first. That panorama, no, that's the Macon, I think. Wow, looks so good. I really wasn't, oh wow, what is that on the inside, that green one? If anybody knows, let me know what kind of Porsche that is. Man, that looks good. But oh yeah, I like Porsches. I really didn't like them at first. Hold on, let me give you guys the next clip. I really didn't like Porsches at first when I was like, it's a Porsche, yeah, it's cool. I was like, they're hype, they're big hype, yeah, what's so fancy about a Porsche? And then when my dad got one, my dad has he has the SUV one, like the Porsche Cayenne. When he got that, I was like, yo, this is actually nice. And he wasn't having many issues with it. It was reliable, seemed to be pretty reliable. And what else? Well, I guess it's not going to be staying there. It was pretty. His Porsche was pretty reliable. No real issues with it at the time, and it was real comfortable. He had the car for like a year or so, and he didn't even realize the car had a sport mode. And when you put it in sport mode, oh my goodness, it's like a freaking tune, an instant tune. That thing woke up big time. The shifts were longer, keeping you in the higher RPM. It was really cool. I was like, man, if this is the SUV, imagine the freaking cars. VQ boys, I see you. That was a Nissan 370Z. Got the car running good. I'll talk about the car maybe in another video. I'll be releasing videos like this, so you can expect this. And to get to know my viewers, so you guys can get to know me a little bit more too. So I'll catch y'all when I get on the highway in 1 sec. So we're about to get on the on-ramp, guys. There's a bit of cars out here, holiday traffic a little bit, so I can give y'all a little something. Oh, I thought that was a police guys. I was like, oh shoot, but it wasn't. It's just two cars pulled over. Knowing Georgia and Atlanta, they probably got in an accident. We got too many bad drivers out on these roads. It's ridiculous. It really is. They need to make the license, I feel like they need to make the license test harder just to fix that problem, but that's just me. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your man Woke. I'm out.